Today we will learn how to find prime factorization of 72 by short division method. Before solving the problem, please go through the rules. Try dividing 72 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 72 exactly, we get 36. Again, try dividing 36 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 36 exactly, we get 18. Again, try dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Again, try dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Again, try dividing 3 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 3 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. Once we get 1, we stop here. Finally, collect all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So, prime factorization of 72 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.